Saved. Progress 102/150. State/province. Question: state/province. Explanation: this question asks for the state or province where you live. This helps the US government confirm your exact location and differentiate between cities with the same name. Example answers: California, Ontario. Not applicable. The answered California is a valid state name and appears correct. Suggestions: ensure that California is the correct state/province associated with the city and address you previously provided. If the address is outside the US, ensure you select Does Not Apply for State/Province and provide the correct foreign province/region in the Address Line 2 field if applicable. Double-check that the spelling California is accurate as entered. Postal code. Question: postal code. Question: postal code. Explanation: this question asks for your postal code, also known as a zip code in the United States. It helps to precisely locate your address. This information is important for verifying your place of residence. Example answers: 10001. Your answer for the postal code is correctly formatted and appears valid. Suggestions: ensure this postal code accurately corresponds to the street address you provided earlier in the application. If you are unsure, double-check the postal code using a reliable online postal code lookup service for the specific address. Country. Question, country. Explanation: this question asks for the country where you were born. The US government uses this information to confirm your nationality and background. It's a standard identification question. Example answers: Germany, India, Brazil. Your answer looks correct and consistent. Field of study. Question, field of study. Explanation: this question asks what you studied in college or university. It helps the US government understand your academic background. They want to know what your main area of learning was. Example answers: computer science, business administration, graduation date from to.